Hi and Happy New Year. I wish you all the best. In this video, I'm gonna review the source code for New Year Countdown. The code in the description. You can download it now and follow with me. So, to create a timer is something pretty easy, especially using JavaScript. And then you can display this timer within HTML elements like those. So we have here 4 divisions as you see, one for the seconds, minutes, hours and days. Let me take a look. So those are the 4 divisions, and this is the container that wrap the divisions. The core in this project is JavaScript, which will create the timer. So here first we define the target date. So here I want to calculate from the moment of now till January 1st, 2020, and here is the time. Then let me create a function and define the moment of now, or the moment we want to start from. So I can start from yesterday or 2 days ago, but of course we don't want that. So this means I want to start from this moment. And then let me define a variable difference, which is abstract the destination date from this moment. And then let me define seconds, minutes, hour and days. So seconds equal to 1000 millisecond, and then minutes equal to the seconds multiplied by 60, then hours, and finally days. We have 24 hours per day. Then we want to convert those numbers. Of course I don't want it to be in milliseconds, so here we use Matplotlib function to convert all of them. For example, the seconds will be equal to the difference modulus the minutes, and all this divided by the seconds. Finally display them within the HTML elements. And here we have setInterval function to display this function which you call display, and update it each 1 second. Finally you can add the style that you want. So here I use background image for the body, then add some style for the container. As you see here we have container heading, and finally add a style for the countdown. So the countdown has 2 styles, one for the normal countdown and another one for before. So this one is before and this one is the normal countdown. So here is some styles for the essential or the normal countdown, and then here is the style for the bottom of this counter. So here we have background color like this, and finally add the content for each division. So for days I want the content to be days and hours to be hours, and so on. So according to styles, it's up to you. So now what if we want to remove the counter after we get the time, when the counter is over, when everything here is 0? This is pretty easy. Just make a condition to check if the difference is less than or equal to 0. In this case, change the display for the container to be none. Let me see this. So just check if the difference is less than 0. In this case, change the style from display block to be display none. So it will hide the container div. So that's everything for today. If you need any help, ask me anytime. Good luck and see you next time.